In primetime news this evening, health crisis looms, global supply disruptions impacting local health sector. Guilty, verdict in nurse's assistant molesting teen last year handed down. Victim's family reacts. And later, Portland Maroons on edge about possible election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the challenge by an 18-year-old for the post of Maroon Chief in Moortown, Portland? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.